Hey you, stop looking for the next big thing. In 2026, the people making the most money on eBay aren't selling viral gadgets or big brands that get you sued. They are selling the most boring, unsexy products that you can imagine. I'm talking about things like heavy-duty brackets, cabinet handles, and obscure replacement parts. But why is that? Because nobody wakes up excited to buy a cabinet handle, but when they renovate their kitchen, they need 30 of them, and they need them now. If you want to build a real business without getting banned, you need to sell boring. Today I'm going to show you how to find these hidden gold mines with 7 proven research methods that keep your account safe and your wallet full. Method number 1, the renovation strategy. Focus on items people buy in bulk for home projects. Go to the home and garden section. Look at matte black cabinet pulls. These generic pieces of metal are selling thousands of units per month. Why is that? Because homeowners are updating their kitchens and don't want to pay Home Depot prices. This is the perfect product. It is heavy, it feels valuable, it has no brand name, so there are no value issues. People rarely buy just one of them, but often buy packs of 10, 20 or 50. That is high average order value with zero legal problems. Now let's look at social media. We are looking for satisfying solutions. There is a massive corner of the internet called Clean Talk. Videos of people cleaning things. It sells products like crazy. Use your AdSpy tool and filter for cleaning. Right now, generic electric lint removers that shave fuzz off old sweaters are blowing up. People see the video, they trust the result and they run to buy it. Since it's a generic gadget, you can source it safely without worrying about trademarks, unlike selling fake sneakers or branded tech. Next, let's validate with Google Trends. We want to find sustainable hobbies. Type in hydroponics. People are obsessed with growing food at home. This trend line is solid gold. Selling generic grow tents or LED lights is a safe, long-term play. Now look at seasonality. Type in seed starter trays. Massive spikes in February and March. If you try to sell these in October, you are dead. But if you try to list them on January, you catch the entire spring gardening rush. Timing is everything. Your competitors are lazy. They list products and ignore their customers. So this is your opportunity. Let's look at generic manual coffee grinders. Go to a top seller and read the negative reviews. Look at this. Great, grind, but impossible to clean. That is your winning angle. You find a supplier who includes a cleaning brush. Your title becomes Easy Clean Manual Grinder with free brush. You didn't get into a price war, you just provided a better offer. Now let's get into the data with Terapeak. Decide on your game, velocity or margin. Look at microfiber clothes. Massive sell-through rate, selling 500 packs a day, but you only make cents per sale. Now let's take a look at heavy-duty caster wheels for workbenches. They sell less often, but the profit per set is huge. Terapeak lets you see these realities. I prefer the caster wheels type of products. Less stress, less packing, more profit per box. You use the tool to pick your strategy. Let's talk about nostalgia, but keep it safe. Stay away from Nike and Disney. Instead, you should look for obscure local vintage. Go to eBay, search and type Vintage Trucker Hat Seat Company or Local Union Hat and filter by salt. You will be shocked. People pay $40 for dirty hat from random feed store in Iowa just because it holds a memory or because it looks cool. No big brand is going to sue you for selling a vintage hat from a defunct construction company. It's safe and it's profitable. And finally, let's look at watch count. Here is a safe sniper strategy. Look for industrial pipe shelf brackets. These are just pieces of black iron for DIY shelves. You will see listings with hundreds of watchers. And you may ask why? Because people are planning renovations and waiting for a deal on a 10-pack. This is a commodity. It has no brand. If you find a supplier for these brackets and list them for $5 less than the top guy, you notify all those watchers and steal the sale. It's aggressive, but since it's an unbranded metal, it's completely safe. The opportunities in 2026 are endless, but only if you are smart about what you sell. Stay away from the big brands, focus on the boring needs, and use data to win. Now, finding safe products is step 1. Protecting your account from logistic issues is step 2. If you want to know how to handle your tracking numbers correctly so you don't get banned, watch this video right here. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get to work!